Hello, hello, hello. My name is Aryan Salinandar and let me welcome you to the third episode of Dil Se Secure Chocolates and Cyber brought to you by NPAV. आज गेम्स हो गए, क्विज भी हो गए and digital safety का real test भी. Digitally fit to life super hit. So let me introduce today's guest, Adi and Isha. Hello guys, how are you?
Hello, hi.
Good. Acha, can you just tell me a little bit to the audience as well, a little bit about you guys?
Yeah, hi. This is Adi Singh. I'm actor, writer, director, and I'm also mimicry artist. I have done voiceover of Oggy and the Cockroaches, so that is my voice, Oggy and Jack.
Acha, and what about you?
I'm an actor and model. I work runways and like clothing, beauty content, all the content also I do. I've been a trained dancer too, and I work in South film industry. And now I'm currently working in Bollywood and Pune.
So tell me, let's go to the main reason why you guys are here. So we are doing a Valentine's Day campaign. This campaign is called Dil Se Secure. So we have a lot of talent right now on that couch. Oh my god, from Oggy to now doing Bollywood. Insane guys. So tell me, how did you guys first meet?
Uh,
On a movie set.
yeah.
Oh, acha.
Yeah.
So ये मराठी फिल्म कर रही थी कोई, तो मैं वहाँ पहुँच गया. So like we guys doing background dancing for that film.
That time, very starting of our career, he was already a semi-known actor, like very new. So we met on a set, and that's how we started talking each other, socially connected.
That's so
yeah.
sweet.
So हम एक मराठी फिल्म के सेट पे मिले थे, और हम दोनों बैकग्राउंड डांसिंग में थे उधर. So मुझे आज भी वो डेट याद है, 9 नवंबर 2019. तो हम पहली बार मिले थे.
क्या बात है? How long have you guys been dating?
It's been 7 years, I think. Yeah.
7 years dating.
Yeah.
क्या बात है, क्या बात है. Okay, so now we are just going to dive into the main entertainment segment of this episode. It's going to be Pictionary. आपके सामने एक बोल है. So we are going to just shift right now, and जो बोल के अंदर जो भी आएगा, you just have to draw it, and your other person needs to get what is it. Okay, are you ready? Yeah. Let's shift. Before you dive in, all the audience members, make sure that you also comment that what the answer is, so that you guys can also be a part of this game. All right, go ahead. कौन सा तो भी अच्छा चूज करना है?
Okay.
बढ़िया, करो ड्रॉ.
I think इसको ड्रॉ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं कुछ एक्ट कर देता हूँ.
ठीक है, go ahead. You are an actor. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay.
क्या करेगा?
Guess. You have to guess this word.
Okay. It is proposed.
Correct. The word was proposal. Awesome. So now is your turn.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
You can show me the word so that I can.
Mark.
Little difficult. Mark ऊपर है. So you have to guess. You have
Are you
30
ready?
seconds,
Mm-hmm.
and your time starts now.
Okay.
बंदा.
Okay. ठीक है.
बंदा कंप्यूटर चला रहा है.
10 seconds left.
Okay.
कुछ तो टाइप कर रहा है.
No.
हैकर.
हाँ.
Correct. Hacker. Right on. 2 seconds बाकी थे यार. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one.
Okay.
By the way, as we were just talking about hackers and everything, so yeah, मैं जब हमने कंप्यूटर ड्रॉ किया तभी मेरे को समझ आया था ये तो hacker.
But this thing, hacker. Yeah.
ये क्या था वैसे?
Mouse. Oh, this is.
अच्छा ये हो गया. Okay.
Okay. This is tough for me also. Let me try
Okay.
again. ठीक है?
You might be hiding the camera. You might be
Okay.
hiding the board.
Okay.
कैसे कंप्यूटर?
Yes. And अरे यार, how I'll this? ठीक है. Mouse. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
कुछ तो एक्टिविटी करो उसके अंदर.
कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बनाऊं. Any help?
You were very slow.
10 seconds left.
At least guess.
Slow.
नहीं.
Slow internet.
Come on. Oh.
Done. The word was safe browsing.
अरे तो ब्राउजिंग करो ना, गूगल लिखो, इंटरनेट कुछ तो.
लिखना नहीं है ना.
लिखना नहीं, but you could have shown the Google Go. You could have shown कि वो safe है, कुछ तो ऐसे लॉक कुछ तो कर सकते थे, सिक्योर का शील्ड कर सकते थे.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
इसकी ड्राइंग अच्छी करूँगा मैं.
Dude, this is the most easiest. Audience, you guys can participate in this again.
Hopefully.
Okay. Your time starts 30 seconds now. Okay.
This is थोड़ा अच्छा करो drawing.
10 seconds.
Fire it is.
Yeah.
And this must be window. No, wall.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a firewall.
Yes, it is a firewall.
Okay, come on.
Guys, that's a terrible drawing, but yeah, how is this fire? How is that fire?
आग लगी, नीचे लकड़ियाँ जल रही है.
That's looking grass more than fire.
Let's go back to our main seats and go ahead with the show.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Chalo.
Chalo.
That was an incredible Pictionary round, guys. Did you guys have fun?
Yes, absolutely.
Absolutely.
Acha. Okay, so now we are going to do our last segment called something like KBC, जिसमें मैं एक क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, उसके मल्टीपल चॉइस आंसर्स रहेंगे, आपको आंसर देना.
All right.
उसके पहले मुझे ये बताओ, क्या आप NPV यूज करते हो?
Yes, of course.
Can you expand on that a little bit?
या मैं पिछले 2 साल से यूज़ कर रहा हूँ उसको.
अच्छा.
और जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि मैं राइटर हूँ, तो बहुत सारे लैगिंग होते हैं लैपटॉप में, तो बहुत इजी रहता है उसको यूज़ करने पे. वायरस अलर्ट कर देता है, नोटिफिकेशन आ जाती है, और अननोन फ़ोन्स जो आते हैं, स्पैम कॉल आते हैं, है ना, तो किसी पे भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. लाइक सो वो बहुत हेल्प करता है मेरे लिए.
To me
As you
also.
guys are in the creative industry, आपको मेल्स आते रहते हैं.
बहुत
बिकॉज ऐसे बहुत सारी स्टोरीज है कि ये जो स्कैमर्स रहते हैं ना, वो लोगों का यूज करते हैं बाय अटैकिंग द इमोशंस.
Yeah.
दे नो व्हाट यू आर डेस्परेट अबाउट. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर किसी को जॉब चाहिए तो वो जॉब का स्कैम कॉल आता है कि आप
Yes.
15,000 भेजो, हम आपको लिस्टिंग दे देंगे.
यस.
तो वैसे आपकी फील्ड में भी बहुत होता रहेगा.
बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि मेल पे ही सारा काम होता है मेरा, तो यूजुअली तो मेल को सिक्योर रखना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट यू?
या सेम मेरा भी लाइक वर्क रिलेटेड इट्स लाइक एजेंसी के कॉल या मेल्स आते हैं तो उसमें स्पैम के भी आ जाते हैं. समटाइम्स रॉन्ग नंबर से भी आते हैं बिकॉज आई हैव अ सोशल अकाउंट. सो हो जाता है मतलब वो काफ़ी टाइम, बट इट हेल्प्स. सो या आई फील रिलैक्स बिकॉज ऑफ दैट.
Awesome. Okay, then let's go and dive into the KBC round. Okay. So the first question is, what is the main function of a firewall? Increase speed, block unauthorized access, store passwords, detect spam.
Again, can you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Increase speed, block unauthorized access, store passwords, detect spam.
I think second.
Yeah.
Correct. Block unauthorized. Second question. Why are cracked application dangerous? Do fake REST good
Yes.
applications?
Third party kind of.
Third party. Correct. Why are they dangerous? No design update. Contain hidden malware. Use more data. Reduce storage.
Use more data, I guess.
Fourth one.
Third.
Wrong. It contains hidden malware. That's why जो भी application जो Google official इधर से लेते, they are protected. Extra security के लिए you can have NPV that can alert if you're downloading something wrong. Correct. No worries. Second ही question. You guys might get more chances. By the way, you guys will be, if you guys perform well, we'll give you a hamper from NPV.
Yeah.
Alright. Why should app permissions be reviewed? App जो permissions देते हैं,
Yes.
वो क्यों review करना चाहिए? Improve UI, protect privacy, increase storage, speed up your phone.
Protect yes.
Correct. The next question, which type of malware locks your data? Adware, spyware, ransomware, worm.
Third.
Ransomware, correct. What is the safest way to store your passwords? Notes application, browsing auto, वो browser पे auto
Yes,
से
yes.
sir ना हो.
Save.
नहीं तो थर्ड पासवर्ड मैनेजर जो गूगल का एक्चुअल ऑथेंटिकेटेड है. एंड फोर्थ स्क्रीनशॉट्स.
Password manager.
करेक्ट. पासवर्ड मैनेजर. सो ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ऑथेंटिकेटर भी है जो आपके पासवर्ड्स और ये सब एक साथ रखता है, जिसके अंदर ऑटोमेटिक 2 फैक्टर ऑथेंटिफिकेशन है जो आपके fingerprint है तो face ID
Face
को
ID
select
है।
करके ही password देते
Yes, yes.
हैं। Okay, second last question. Why is antivirus important for smartphones? Okay, A, phone doesn't get viruses. B, you are more likely to get malware threats. C, only laptops are attacked. Or D, antivirus drains your battery.
First.
It's first, yeah.
Correct. Phones don't get viruses. So antivirus prevents you from your phone from highly
Yeah.
viruses. Correct. Yes. So the last question.
Okay.
What does regular device scanning help with? Increasing storage, detecting hidden threats, involving camera improvement, saving battery.
Come on.
First.
Wrong. It is detecting hidden threats.
Okay.
So, and जब आपका फोन रेगुलरली आप स्कैनिंग करते हो एंटीवायरस के लिए सबसे पहले वो आपके थ्रेड्स को डिटेक्ट करके आपको अलग कर देता है एंड उसको निकाल देता है
Okay.
तो या so that's it for TBC round. Did you guys have fun?
Yes, the first we have.
Yeah. You learned a lot from you.
That's it for the quiz round. I hope you guys had fun.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so you guys have won the NPAV hamper. Can you get the hamper, guys? Yay! So in this, you have Net Protector Mobile Security for 1 year. You have 2 subscriptions for the both of you. With that, you also have a wallet as well as a bag. So this is from our NPAV team for you guys.
Lovely. Loved it.
So how was your whole experience of today?
It was fun. It was like we learned about the NPAV and yeah, it's great. It's great.
Awesome. Okay. So thank you so much guys for being a part of this video. Hope you liked it. Comment if you guys have any feedback. Make sure to like and don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell notifications because tomorrow we are going to come with another episode. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
Feels insecure.